Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Elam Ajanke. I'm a business development team with Good FOREX Institute. Good FOREX Institute is a forex trading school. We are located on Spintex Road, 100 meters of the Natal. So for those who are in Ghana, want and sort of interested in forex trading, know how to trade, or you're already trading but you want to polish your way of trading, you want to have a training plan, also have a training plan in your health. We also provide with the signal services. So if you want the signal services with an entry and exit point, do it this so nice. What we do is that we give you a forecast about the particular pair we are working on. So we have a fair idea of what we are giving out. So that's one of the tips we have for our signal services. We do signal services combined with the forecast. So guys, you can join us. We also provide a weekly forecast on the BNFT. We also provide it on our website. So you can visit our website on www.goforexinstitute.com. You can also call us on 00233 50147110. You can also send me a mail on elamajanke@outlook.com. So guys, today a lot of people are struggling really to use the MT, especially those who just join forex trading. So they are really struggling on how to use the MT4. So today I'll do a little bit of tutorial about how to open a trade and so on. So guys, I hope you really enjoyed it. So join me, let's do it together. Bye. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, as I've said earlier on, so today we will give you a features of everything on the MT4 and we focus on how to open a trade using the MT4 on your laptop. So it's easy. To get the MT4, simply go to on Google, type and download MT4 or MT5. You can also get it on your phone, especially those who are using Android phone. Go to Play Store, you type MetaTrader 4 and you can easily download it. So after you download your MT4 on your laptop, simply to choose your broker is very simple. The best thing you have to do is you go to File, open an account. So some accounts are very easily to get. So what you do is like choose a broker first. Any broker you want. You start with the demonstration account because now you want to try and see how it works. So I'll always advise people to go with the demonstration account. So let's go the IBFS to demo. So let's go to next. When you go to next, you say new demo account. So you also click on next. So they provide you your name, your email address, your telephone number. Since I already registered, that's the reason why they all came. They look the amount I want 3,000. If I want 3,000, 5,000 and above, you all have it. And you can also choose delivery. The leverage they have from 1.1 to 1:500. So I always choose 1:100. You click on agree, then you are good to go. So guys, when you click on agree, you have your demo account. So that's the same thing I did. Then I have my demo account here. So I hope you understand what I just did. So let me click on cancel and let's do it again. So to open a demo account using your laptop, the MetaTrader 4, is to open an account. You choose any broker you want. This case Sky FS Pro demo. Click on demo, and you make sure you click on new demo account. And here we go. Your name will be there, your email address also will be there, your contact, and the amount you want to trade with will be there. So I choose 3,000 or 5,000. Let's choose 5,000. So here we go. You click on agree, and you are good to go. So guys, this is very easy. So I already have the demo account. So let's go ahead with the demo account. So we have the market watch. So let's go back again. We have the currency pairs here. So let's focus on the major things. So we have the market watch. You have a navigator. The navigator will show you everything you have, especially your indicators. Every indicator that you have, your accounts that you have to, they all be there. So guys, I hope you get it. So we have a terminal. The terminal is where you display your running account. It also display also have the trade, the accounts history, the news, the alerts, the market, the articles, the code base, the FL, and the news. do now. So guys, this was the terminal is all about. So if you have a trade ongoing, like mine at the moment on odd NZD, as you can see here, I have odd and I'm a negative 0.39. I am using a lot size of 0.02, and I bought. It was my entry price. This is my stop, my TP. I was just trying to do something, so I didn't put a stop loss. So, but guys, always put a stop loss. Always put a stop loss. I hope you get it. So, guys, here we go. So let's focus on the main thing we are here to do today. So let's focus on that. So we have the market here. So new order. So you click on new order. So today we focus on how to place a trade. So we have the new order. You click on new order. You can also go right click it. When you right click, you have everything here. You can simply also do it from this end. So you have the depth of markets, on click trading, indicators, object list, time frame, template. You have everything here. Or you can just directly click new order and have your new order. So on the new order, you have the symbol who is here. This is the symbol. So here is the symbol. So on the symbol, we have the volume, we have the lot stop loss, we have the take profits, we have the market execution. So we have the sell by market or buy by market. So this will be our focus today, guys. This will be our focus today. So let's go. So guys, as I said, this is a symbol. Symbol have all the currency pair that you have, all the stock currency, the commodity that you have, everything in here. So you can choose any of them. You can choose the one after you're doing analysis. You know that okay, I want to focus on USD JPY or USD. So you focus on USD, and this is your volume. Volume is also simply means lot size, as we all know. So lot size is the amount you got. So it's the lot size and the number of people that gives you the money. I hope you all know that. So let's go. So it all depends on the account size you are using. So if you are using $100 account, I always advise people to use a moderate lot size, especially 0.01, and place a trade. Make sure one trade is in profit before you place another one. Don't place more than one trade. Guys, I always advise people on that. So we have the stop loss, we have the take profit, we have the type market execution, we have the pending order, then we have the sell and the buy price, the bid and the ask, we have the sell by market and the buy by market. So guys, today let's say that we are focusing on euro odd. So let's go back to euro odd. Okay, so let's just use Euro USD. So let's say that we are focusing on Euro USD. So our volume is 0.01. So how do you do the stop loss? Guys, always make sure that if you want to sell something, your stop loss has to be more than the current price. The current price. So if the current price is 1.12817, the stop loss has to be more than this because you are buying. So your stop loss could be 1.12839. So it means 20 pips. So you have to make sure that you do the calculation. So USD, a pip value of USD is $10 per pip. So if you are using 0.01, it means that you'll be losing. If market has to go against you, for each pip you'll be losing 1 cent. I hope we are all clear. So since I'm selling, my current price has to be less because I'm expecting the price of the market to go down. So I'm selling. So the price will be 1.12800. It's supposed to be. So let's do it lesser than this. No, so let's do it 7.4. So I choose 20 pips for my stop loss and I choose 30 pips for my take profit. So if market go in my direction, my profit will be 1 cent times 30 pips. That will give me, let's say, $3. So if you go against me, I'll be losing $2. So guys, always once you want to place a trade, make sure you do those calculations. Those calculations will help you in case you are not with your phone, you have a low battery, or there's light out in your area that you can access to your phone. You know that, okay, even though markets have to go against me, I know that I'll be losing only this percentage of my account. So here we go. You focus on the market execution. So when you click on market execution, by the time you click on sell, the order will execute directly, automatically. Let me put it that way. But when you choose pending order, it means that you expect the things to come as a particular point. Use that point before selling or buying. So it won't go directly to hit that particular price you want. So let's focus on the market execution. Here we are. So let's play. So the stop, my invalid stop loss and etc. So we have to look at the price we work on again. So let's decrease this again by 64 and this by 90. So guys, there's one thing I've forgotten. So when you look at it right now, we have 5 decimal after, there's 5 decimal here. So you count, this is how you count your pips. So here we are, 1.1264. The last one here, the last figure is a pipette. Pipette is a half of it. So to read this, you read it like if market increased by 1 piece, it means that it's increased by 1.21. It has increased to 1.265 and not 1.2645. It means that that's half pips. So this is where you count your pips. If you say market has moved by 5 pips, it means that it has moved to 1.1269. I hope you get that. So when everything goes as you expect, when you click on it, successful. So let's go to terminal. You can see that our trade is here. This is our trade. This is our trade. So our trade is here. This is the time, this is the date, the time, the types, the sell on the buy, the lot size, the pair, the entry price, the stop loss, the take profit, and the current price. The broker will charge you a commission on a swap. The swap is you only leave your account overnight. So it will be a negative swap or a positive swap. And if market is going your direction, when it's negative, it means that you are in loss. But it doesn't mean that you are in loss till that trade is definitely closed. I hope you all get it. So anytime you place a trade, if you see your stop loss in red like this, it means that the broker is sending you a signal that you have to look at your trade. You have to look at your trade. But as I said earlier on, before you place a trade, you make sure that, okay, I'm going for my stop loss had to be 20 pips or 10 pips, and my stop loss had to be 10 pips, and my take profit had to be 30 pips. So for those who just put a wide pips, number of pips for stop loss and small for take profit, guys, you'll be losing always more than you're supposed to be gaining. So I hope you all get this. So guys, this video will be on my YouTube channel at Eloma Junkie. So you can view it, you can share with friends. If you have any suggestions, any requests, they are all welcome. I hope you all enjoyed this video. So if there's any question, kindly call me. For those who are in Ghana, kindly call me on +233 50147 1104. You can also send me a mail at elomajanki@outlook.com. We are located on the Spin Test Road, 100 meters from Coca-Cola and about. So guys, we are all welcome. We have a new class starting this Saturday at 9:30. So if you want to join our class, kindly call us, make payments, you come and fill the form and they add you to the group, and here we go. So welcome to the Forex Trading Revolution, guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching this video. So bye. Good evening, good afternoon, and good morning for everyone around the world. Bye.